How to fix Wi-Fi not showing on Windows. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily fix if the Wi-Fi option is not showing on your Windows. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let us jump right in. The very first thing you want to do is head over to your search bar and search for services. Hit enter, and here you just want to search for WLAN. So just click on any one of these and search for WLAN autoconfig. So double click on it, and now what you're going to do is stop this running service and then start it back again. So what you want to do is start it again. So just click on start, wait for it to start automatically, and then click on OK. After doing this, your Wi-Fi should refresh and it should start working again. But if this did not fix your problem, then you're going to open up your device manager and then search for your wireless adapters. So just click on this drop down on network adapters and then find your wireless network adapter. Right click on it to update the driver. Search automatically for drivers, and if it says the best driver is already updated, then you don't need to do anything. The other thing that you can try to do is disable this device and it will stop functioning. So just click on yes. Now your Wi-Fi will stop working. Whenever you try to click on it, the Wi-Fi option will not show here. So what you're going to do now is right click on it and click on enable device. So now here your Wi-Fi option will show up. So that's how you can fix Wi-Fi not showing on your Windows. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.